The sneaker customiser vickalmighty has returned with another fusion build, utilizing Kevin Durant's off-court style and on-court skill. In collaboration with Reshoevn8r, the two created a unique Nike KD18X Jumpman Jack custom, created especially for the Slim Reaper. The Black Label Nike KD18 and Travis Scott's dark Mocha Jumpman Jack are combined in this pair, fusing the lifestyle aesthetic of one of Durant's favorite silhouettes with the performance DNA of his most recent signature. Its aggressive edge comes from a sculpted cage system from the KD18, Mocha suede panels, and glow-in-the-dark stitching. Despite not being able to be released, Vick and Reshoevn8r are working hard to get the custom made for KD. It currently serves as a faultless homage to one of the most adaptable players in the game, and a sneaker that Durant should wear.